Many students think that Revit means only 3D बिल्डिंग बनाना. Revit means एक बार वो सॉफ्टवेयर सीख लिया तो BIM सब कुछ आ गया. But that is only a half understanding. So again, I'm repeating, Revit does not remove drawing communications. It improves and organizes it. Because a learning software is not the final goal. Career value comes when software connects to job roles. So Revit Architecture is not just a one software. It is the gateway to multiple architectural BIM career paths. Now, one more very important thing, Revit Architecture becomes powerful only and only when learned through. The biggest mistake many students make is learning Revit only as a software, and naturally when your value in project increases, your opportunity level also improves. Salary is the output of practical capability, not just a software completion. If you are a civil engineer, diploma student, architectural learner, or a BIM aspirant, and you want to understand whether Revit architecture can actually help you build a strong career, then this video is very, very important for you. Because today I am going to explain how Revit architecture can become a major career building software in BIM industry, and not just for 3D modeling, but for a real job roles, real project understanding, and long-term career growth. Many students think that Revit means only 3D बिल्डिंग बनाना. Revit means एक बार वो सॉफ्टवेयर सीख लिया तो BIM सब कुछ आ गया. But that is only a half understanding. Because Revit architecture is not just for making model. It is a part of much bigger BIM workflow. Let me say this very clearly. Revit Architecture is one of the core BIM software for architectural project development and communications. It helps you convert a 2D understanding into a 3D intelligent building model, and then again convert that 3D intelligent model into a plans, then sections, then elevations, then sheets, and then architectural documentations. So it is not only modeling, it is a complete design to documentation BIM tool. So as for AEC industry, BIM philosophy, industry look at Revit architecture like this. AutoCAD gives the communication base and the Revit architecture gives the project intelligence layer. So it means AutoCAD helps you understand and prepare the drawing base, and another part, Revit architecture, helps you convert that into more connected, intelligent, and coordinated building systems. Let us understand this practically. In many real project workflow, what happens? Firstly, all engineers build the conceptual drawings, then they build layouts, then plans, and then reference details. So these all are often available in only a 2D format. Then from there, we move into Revit architectures. So in Revit architectures, we create a proper BIM model. So Revit architecture is not starting from zero. It is building on top of the drawing logic. So many students ask, sir, Revit architecture से actually होता क्या है? So let's understand this simply. Revit architecture helps you create and manage much more things. It includes walls, it includes doors, it includes windows, floors, roofs. Then it also includes stairs. It also manages railings, rooms, levels, then views, then sheets, architectural detailing, and building layout system. But the real value is not just that. Yes, the real value is everything, this element is connected intelligently. And this is where BIM becomes so powerful. Because in normal 2D drafting, if you change one thing, you may need to update many places manually. But in Revit architecture, what happened? When the model is built correctly, many views and output remains interconnected. So that creates a better consistency, that creates a better speed, better coordination, better project understanding. But again, And this is very important. Revit architecture is not only for a design, it is also for a architectural communication. It is also for a project understanding. Again, it is also for a documentation, detailing support, and a drawing output. Because at the end of any project, a project still needs a clear communication. So 3D model helps you understand the building in detail, but 2D output help the project move forward. This is something students must understand deeply. In Revit architecture, you may create a beautiful 3D model, but in actual workflow, the final usable output is often a plans, then a sections, then elevations, or it may be a working drawings, sheet sets, a detailed view. So, again, I'm repeating, Revit does not remove drawing communications. It improves and organizes it. So now let's connect this into your career, because a learning software is not the final goal. Career value comes when software connects to job roles, and Revit architecture connects directly to some of the most practical BIM roles. If your Revit architecture skills is strong and you understand how to use it in a project workflow, then it can support your journey into roles like architectural BIM modeler, conceptual BIM designer, BIM coordinator, BIM detailing engineers, estimation engineer, or a BIM visualizer. And later, even it supports the growth towards a broader BIM coordination roles. So Revit architecture is not just a one software. It is the gateway to multiple architectural BIM career paths. Let's understand this in a simple way. If you work as an architectural BIM modeler, your job is not just to draw. Your job is to build the architectural model properly. Your job is to create views and sheets, understand planning logic, support project communication, and prepare output that can be used further. If you're more towards the conceptual BIM designer, then the Revit architecture can help you present concept ideas, planning intent, building from understanding, design communication in a better way. So, if your career grows towards a BIM coordinator, then your Revit understanding becomes even more valuable, because now you are not just making the model, you are also understanding how architecture connects with the structure, how architecture connects with MEP, where coordination issues may happen. If you move into BIM detailing engineer or estimation engineer, then your drawing and model understanding becomes highly useful, because you now start thinking like what is to be built, how it is documented, how much quantity is involved, how clearly it is communicated. Now, one more very important thing, Revit architecture becomes a powerful only and only when learned through a real projects, not just a random practice. Because when you work on actual project types like township project, bungalow, clubhouse, mall, then you start understanding that how a planning logic works, architectural detailing, space behavior, sheet preparations, and drawing communications. And your skills becomes much more practical. So this is where many students go wrong. What they do, they learn softwares, but only through commands. They don't learn project thinking, role thinking, workflow thinking. And that is why after learning software, they still feel, I know Revit, but I'm not confident. Confidence does not come only from software buttons. Confidence comes from a project-based understanding. So now let's understand something very important from BIM point of view. Revit architecture does not work alone. It connects with the larger BIM ecosystem. For example, um, it can connect with AutoCAD for drawing base and refinement. It connects with Revit structure for structural development. It also connects with Revit MEP for service coordination. It supports Navisworks for clash and coordination understanding. It supports quantity and documentation workflow. So this is where Revit architecture becomes part of digital construction workflow. So many civil students think that Revit architecture self architect scaling here, but that is also an incomplete thinking. Because if you are in BIM digital construction, coordination, estimation, documentation, or modeling workflow, then architectural understanding is extremely useful. A building project is not only structure. Architecture is one of the main visible and communicative layers of the project. Now let's talk about the practical questions students really care about, and that is a career growth. If someone learns Revit architecture in the right way, with proper project understanding and workflow clarity, then it can support entry and growth into architectural BIM roles, detailing roles, coordination support roles, estimation related roles, visualization related roles. And naturally, when your value in project increases, your opportunity level also improves. But always remember, salary is the output of practical capability, not just software completion. The biggest mistake many students make is learning Revit only as a software instead of learning Revit as a BIM career tool, and that is a very big difference. If you learn only software, you become a software dependent. But if you learn software with project and role understanding, you become a career ready. And this is exactly AC Industries' BIM fast track philosophy. Software is the base, project is the practice, job role is the direction, and career growth is the outcome. So, Revit architecture should not be seen as just a modeling software. It should be seen as a career building BIM software. So, if you are watching this and thinking that can Revit architecture really help me build a BIM career? My answer is yes, if you learn it in a right ecosystem. That means with AutoCAD base, with project understanding, with output thinking, with role clarity, that is the right path. And this is exactly why I created the 3-day BIM Career Challenge where I explain how software connects to the job roles, how to build a BIM career step by step, what mistakes to avoid, and how to think like a job ready BIM professionals. So, if you are serious about your career and you want to understand how Revit architecture can become a part of your BIM career growth, then I strongly recommend you to join this challenge. Don't learn software randomly, learn it through the directions. So, to join this challenge, click the registration link given in the description or scan the QR code appear on your screen. And if this video changed your understanding, comment below. Revit is more than 3D. So I know you understood the real role of Revit architecture in BIM career. Thank you so much.